everyone, Shanta here. I hope you guys are having a great day. So welcome to another Saturday morning challenge of friends. You guys know the drill by now. Joyce Channel will be in the description bar below. So I am so excited about this week's challenge because we decided to create 2 folios based off of one YouTuber's tutorial, and we chose my sister Scrapper. I will have, along with Joyce link, her link to the 2 tutorials that I followed in the description bar below. Like I said, we had to make 2 folios, and we could follow any of her video tutorials that we wanted. So I just happened to do 2 different ones, and you guys are gonna be so proud of me because I used this paper collection I just got from Jelly Bean Soup from their warehouse box. I used this collection right here for both of my projects. And I only used half of the kit. And of course I have papers and scraps left. So I can, yeah, I don't have papers and scraps left. So let me show you the first one that I made. This is this one right here. So, I guess I could zoom in now since, yeah, hopefully that's okay. So, this is the front cover. Oops. And I forget the name of this tutorial, but like I said, it'll be linked. And so on the cover, I just popped up the chip pieces, and then I used my Nuvo. I like this one. Well, depending on what it is, it's just like glossy accent, but this one is runnier. So depending on what I'm doing, I prefer this one. And then sometimes I prefer the glossy accent, but the effects are the same. So I just pop those up, and then this was a sticker out of the collection, and I just wrote over it with that stuff I just showed you, which is why I like it, because it's, you know, easier to move. And then I popped up this and covered that up, and I just outlined the heart. And both of these tutorials are super easy to follow, super simple. So when you open up at the front, we have 2 pockets that I haven't put anything in yet. But as you can see, there's a pocket and there's a pocket. And I just put the little decoration there. And then the folio part, the flip up waterfall, is right down here. I zoomed out too soon, I guess. And that's it. Super simple, super quick. I love these. These will make, in my opinion, this will make awesome Christmas gifts because it doesn't take a long time to make, and it's simple enough. Great for the little 4x4 or the, you know, those 2x3 photos as well. So that is the first one that I made. And then the second one is this one right here. This is my front cover. And I put this, you know, I put this sticker on the side because I wanted to look like, you know, like you're reading when you go to pull something off the shelf. So that's what I added right there. Okay. And let's see. This is the front cover. I just left it for a picture. One right here. Left that blank. I haven't put anything in the pockets yet. There's a pocket right here. And then certain pages have a pocket right here. It's only 2-page construction, a pocket right there. Okay, and then it just repeats. Pocket, 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 and then the back. I mean, super simple. Super simple, super easy to make. I mean, both are very doable. Don't take a whole lot of supplies to do or anything like that. Now, I am very pleased with the way they turned out. The only thing I gotta do now is just make 2 cards. So when I give them away or whatever, I have a card to match. I hate I didn't do that with a lot of my other projects, because then when you go to gift, you don't have anything to match. And I like for my stuff to match. So that's the only thing that I have to make to go along with these, are just 2 cards. So I know Joyce has did an amazing job. So I can't wait to see what she made. And you guys, I will be back with another video. Like I said, these are so small and compact. And I look, well, I guess I could tell you the size. Okay. You can see this one. If there was a tad bit smaller, it could use 6x6 paper. Well, I guess I really technically could use 6x6 paper, but I would need a different type of paper to wrap it around. These would be a paper pad killer. All right. So like I said, I love the way that they turned out. And I used both collections for both of them. 2 different looks. But I am so pleased with the way everything is. And you guys, I will be back with another video. You guys have a blessed day. Bye.